Hi everyone, Dr. Sadaf Qureshi here, and today we are going to talk about parts of compound microscope. A compound microscope is a powerful tool used to observe tiny objects that are not visible to naked eye. It is most commonly type used microscope. It consists of multiple lenses which magnify the image of the sample being examined. Microscope has two types of parts based on their use. The first type of parts are mechanical parts, the second are the optical parts. We will start our discussion with the mechanical parts. We will talk about what are the mechanical parts, where they are located in the compound microscope, and what are their functions. So first, enumerating the parts of mechanical parts of the compound microscope, we have base, stage, arm, draw tube, nose piece, adjustment screw, and screw for condenser. These are the mechanical parts of compound microscope. We'll start with the base. The green section, a green part of the compound microscope highlighted there, is base. It provides stability and support to the entire structure of compound microscope. It is made of heavy and sturdy component that may be metal or other durable material to ensure that the microscope remains steady during use. The next part of microscope is stage. The green highlighted part in the diagram is stage. It is used for slide placement and slide examination. It is a flat platform with various features designed to securely hold and manipulate the sample being examined. The next part of compound microscope is arm. The green highlighted part in diagram is arm of the compound microscope. It connects the base to the head of microscope. As you can see in the diagram, it is connecting the head to the base of compound microscope. It provides support and stability, ensuring that various parts of microscope remains aligned and secure during use. Next mechanical part of compound microscope is draw tube that is shown in figure in highlighted green color. It connects the eyepiece to the body of microscope. It allows for the adjustment of the distance between the eyepiece and the objective lenses, which is important for obtaining a clear and focused image. Next mechanical part of compound microscope is nose piece that is highlighted in diagram in green color. It is also known as revolving turret. It holds the objective lenses and it allows the user to switch between different magnification levels by rotating the turret to align the desired objective lens with the specimen being viewed. This feature is essential for examining specimen at varying levels of details and magnification. The next mechanical part of compound microscope is adjustment screw. The adjustment screw on a compound microscope are vital for focusing the specimen. There are two types of adjustment screw in the compound microscope. The first is coarse adjustment screw and the second one is fine adjustment screw. The coarse adjustment screw is larger knob that moves the stage up and down to bring the specimen into the general focus. It is used with the lower magnification objective lenses. Then we have other type of adjustment screw, that is fine adjustment screw. This is smaller knob and it is used for precise focusing after using the coarse adjustment. It has to sharpen the image, especially when using higher magnification level. The next part of compound microscope or next mechanical part of compound microscope is screw for condenser. The green highlighted part in the diagram is screw for condenser. It is used to secure the condenser in place and adjust its position. Now we are done with the mechanical parts, so we are going to talk about the optical parts, that are mirror or bulb, condenser, iris diaphragm, filter holder, objective lenses, eyepiece. So starting with the mirror or bulb, the green highlighted part in the diagram is mirror or it may be the bulb depending on which type of energy source we are using for the compound microscope. The mirror reflects the light from an external light source, usually a lamp, but it may be the sun, up through the condenser and onto the specimen. This illumination is crucial for viewing specimen clearly. There are two types of mirror that can be used in compound microscope. The first type is flat mirror and the second type is concave mirror. They are used based on their usage. The second optical part of compound microscope is condenser. It focuses light onto the specimen from the light source, thus enhance illumination and contrast of the specimen. The third part of compound microscope or third optical part of compound microscope is iris diaphragm. It adjusts the diameter of light passing through the condenser. By changing the size of aperture, it regulates the intensity and contrast of illumination on the specimen. The next optical part of compound microscope is filter holder. It is seen in diagram. It is shown in diagram as a green color highlighted. This filter holder is designed to hold various filters such as color filters, neutral density filters, and polarizing filters. These are different types of filters that are used with the compound microscope. And these filters can modify the light passing through the condenser, thus improve the contrast of the specimen and reduce the glare, and it also enhances specific details in the specimen. The next optical part of compound microscope is objective lenses. The objective lens is responsible for gathering light from the specimen and forming a magnified image. The quality and magnification power of the objective lens significantly impact the clarity and detail of the observed image. Four different types of objective lenses are present normally. 4x that magnify the image 4 times, 10x that magnify the image 10 times, 40x that magnify the image 40 times, and the 100x that magnify the image 100 times. They are used based on the need or requirement for seeing the specimen. The next optical part of compound microscope is eyepiece. Eyepiece is also known as ocular lens. It is the lens at the top of the microscope through which we see. The eyepiece magnifies the image formed by the objective lens, making the final image larger and clearer for the viewer. There are two types eyepiece. Monocular eyepiece. If only one eyepiece is available for seeing the specimen, then that is called as monoocular eyepiece. Then we have is binocular eyepiece. When two eyepieces are available for seeing the specimen, they are called binocular eyepiece. So this was all about the parts of compound microscope. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And thank you again for watching.